This is the moment every Bitcoin holder has been waiting for. Now, what am I talking about? Well, we've been hovering pretty good around 89, 90K, 88. And so I'm making this video because I want you all to understand that the fact that we have not gone lower, like the bears have claimed, is actually very bullish, okay? The fact that the bears were calling for 30K, 40K, and we're still sitting around 90K is good. And I think going into 2026, now that we're in it, but as we're in the beginning of 2026, we're gonna start seeing Bitcoin trickle up more and more and more. And I seen a comment which was funny, but I think it was a post that I made and somebody was like, oh, bro's getting ahead of himself. It's like, yeah, you can't predict where Bitcoin's gonna go. I can't predict. However, I do believe that with the money printing that's happening constantly, look at silver. Silver's up $80, which is pretty crazy, and Bitcoin's still being silent, right? It's still being stagnant, and it's just been trading sideways for the most part. And I think right now we're in the accumulation phase before we really start seeing it take off. And I think that towards the summer, towards the end of the year, we will get back to that all-time high and possibly break that all-time high that we've seen. Where was it? 126 around there. So all it takes is patience, and all it takes is you to just continuously dollar cost average, ignore all the comments online, where it says Bitcoin's gonna crash. And if it does, then you have to see it as a good thing, right? Now, we're seeing a lot of outflows from what I've been seeing online on ETFs. And so I always tell you all, who cares about ETFs, right? We need them for Bitcoin adoption, but we don't necessarily want to buy them as Bitcoiners. True Bitcoiners should not be buying, in my opinion, not financial advice, ETFs, all right? Because we want to hold actual Bitcoin. We don't want to hold Bitcoin ETFs. So Bitcoin ETF news does, of course, affect the price of Bitcoin, but as Bitcoiners, Bitcoin maximalists, we shouldn't allow that to affect us and our stacking, all right? No matter what happens, we should be continuously stacking. And the moment Bitcoin holders have been waiting for Bitcoin to go up, unless you're like me where you like it going down, all right? That's just what I like. I like when Bitcoin goes down because I get it on a discount. But I understand a lot of people, they get frustrated when they don't see those gains, all right? So the moment Bitcoin holders have been waiting for is upon us, but it's going to take time. It's going to take patience. It's going to take you to be disciplined about conserving your money and maximizing your capital, right? Your cash flow. So hope you all are having a good, fresh start to your 2026 year. And I will see you all in the next video. I'm Mr. Bitcoin Maxi. We're all Bitcoin Maxis. Stack sats. Stay free, stay humble, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.